Hello, my name is Elena. I'm from Russia, and today I would like to show my project Python program that uses Matplotlib to create a bar chart showing marks for 5 students. Okay, run all. Oh, just a moment. Delete it. Run all. In this code, I wrote 5 subjects: math, science, English, history, art, and marks of our students, and customize the chart. You see title, students marks by subject, label subjects, label marks, and you see it's very interesting for me to code in Python in PictoBlox. In the next project, I created an array using NumPy and perform basic operations like sum, mean, and reshaping. And you see the result. Original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basic operations: sum, mean, max, mean, standard deviation, reshaping error. Mathematical operations, matrix multiplication. In this project, you see a Python program using Pandas to create a data frame from student data and display statistics. Run all. And you see complete student data, name, score, subject, detailed score statistic, average scores by subject. And the last project, line search. Just a moment, enter number separated by spaces. For example, enter the number to search form. I think it's very interesting. Test my skills. Okay, thanks to Wikipedia.